Hello everyone and welcome in Dying Light the Beast game. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to activate the Chromatic Aberration in this game, so stay with me and enjoy watching! To activate this awesome effect you have to at first open the settings. To do it, press the O button or on your keyboard, or get into the options by using this option. That was fun. Now get into the video tab and then move to the advanced video settings. Now the fourth option will be a chromatic aberration. You have to turn it on if you want to add a visual effect that adds red and blue areas along the edges of objects for a look that simulates the use of camera lenses. So this is a very good option to have. It gives you more visual effects. Obviously, the more options you will enable in these settings, this is better for you when you're playing this game. If you have a good PC, then you should activate all of these four options, and especially chromatic aberration as soon as possible if you get into these settings. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!